To kawadhi Migori ane jaod bura manyati keto Odege okwayo rowere kik yie josiasa ti kodgi. Odege onyiso joma koro piem kode oneni koro omiyo rowere tije kar tiyo kodgi marach nikech mano siasa ma kinde mare yande noserumo kinde mokadho. Nolose boma ma Migori kokwayo rowere bende kik pogi e dhoudi. Omedo kwedo timbe njore ma opimo kaka ma yande notimre juma mokadho mar jaod bura machon makanyo Edi Kanyanga yande notimo kendo ni moweyo ka rawera moro achiel gi hinyruok ma magina ma yande koro wach makamano nosechwal e doho kendo koro en wach ma pod iwinjo to kod doho.
When you look at the kind of politics we are doing in Migori County currently, we started it very well and it was very peaceful, but we are seeing some tensions being facilitated by some aspirants, which we want to discourage because we have Migori, we have Nyatike today, and we still need Nyatike and Migori tomorrow. And this one I want to specifically talk to our youths. I know very well during this politics there are people who are targeting youths and trying to provoke both camps so that they can capitalize on the tension to see if they can benefit out of it politically. But from proven experience, those tensions don't help. And I would urge our people, especially team of youth who are supporting us, to maintain peace. I know they are being provoked beyond limits. But when you look at the provocation, majority of people who are now coming out to incite the youth are people who have sensed defeat. And we don't need to be found on a wrong corner. We need to make correct judgment and maintain peace because these elections, I can tell you in Migori, it's very clear ODM is winning. And especially my constituency, I want to tell you, apart from me and my other aspirants and Raila Odinga, I can tell you people are overwhelmingly supporting ODM, and I'm sure we are going to sweep all the seats in Nyatike, and I also hope in Migori County we are also going to sweep all seats for ODM in Migori County. The only thing I'm praying for, let us maintain peace. Though I've seen some aspirants trying to provoke youths, like 1.5 weeks ago, you are aware, one of the aspirants just became bold enough and attacked youths and shot one of them, which is very unfortunate. When you see an aspirant attacking innocent youths, it's an act of desperation. But I can assure you, we'll make sure that that peace is maintained and the victory is ours. As we are talking currently, we have a plan and we have had several meetings with our clan elders. We have also had meetings with our community health workers. We want everyone who is doing community service to be involved in this exercise. On my side, we are also working with the border riders so that day they don't go for any business, but the business will be to ferry people to go and vote and take them back to their homes.